Hey, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do something a little different today. We're going to be going through some old data. You can see on my screen here, I'm looking at my new personal best lap in the Club Spec Mustang. It was set 10/18/2025 Crescent counterclockwise, I believe. As you can see, I ran a 128.07. Uh, all I've changed is just a little bit of driving style and then added those brakes. So we're going to go through that. We're going to go through it compared to the Optima, my best lap. I did get held up. And then we're going to just kind of take a look at some data comparisons here. So stay tuned. We'll take a look at that. So for those of you that don't have a Garmin, and this is what you can do, and I'm actually comparing the two laps I just had, and we're looking at the different opportunities here. What this really allows me to do is to see and understand where my changes are. I had actually applied these changes for my next session. Unfortunately, it started raining, so I actually set like a 128.6 with a wet track. So I'm very excited for the 2026 season. For those of you that haven't really gotten some in-car coaching, definitely look into that first. But for those of you that are looking for some continual monitoring, this Garmin Catalyst is pretty cool. No affiliation, no sponsorship, but it's nice to be able to compare this. You can also compare sessions against friends, against previous track environments. It's really nice to be able to see where you're running. Now it does require you to be on those paths. Here's a little bit of the data. So why am I excited for 2026? Here's a couple of reasons, things I've already signed up for. First things first is February 28th, I'll be down in Houston, be doing the starting line school. It's at the Dyer Sports Complex parking lot. It's for autocross focus. I've been autocrossing for well over a decade, but it's nice to learn, nice to get some seat time, nice to get some coaching. Also comes with a host of coupons. There's not a lot of people signed up for this, so if you're a follower or subscriber, just someone randomly across this video, come on out. Not a lot of people signed up. You can sign up through SCCA. I think it's like $260, $265, but you get almost that in coupons. And it's really about autocross, that sort of information, teaches you vehicle dynamics, vision control, tips, techniques. They're really good courses. Used to help with our local autocross in Minnesota, kind of teach a clinic teen skills driving course, if you will. So I'm excited to be on the other end with pro coaches coming in. Also, just registration just started for this, the 2026 Tire Rack Targas. The concept of this, for those of you that are into motorsports, probably know what a drag and drive is. It's a very similar concept to where it's more track focused. So it'll be multiple tracks. I believe we're going to 4 tracks. Yep, Motorsports Ranch, Hallett, Hedge Hollow, and Eagles Canyon. And then you have to drive between the days. So it'll be about 600, 650, maybe 700 miles of driving of the car. Have to stay on the same tires. And then it's lapping at tracks, HPDE style. Should be a lot of fun. At the end, Eagle Canyon Raceway is where they kick off the national level event. First one, I believe, for this region. Well, actually not for Texas region, but the first one at the national points, if you will. So I plan to try that, see how I stack up. I may travel to the East Coast for some of the other ones. I think Carolina Motorsports Park has one. There's one up in Pennsylvania and one in Chicago. And then I think the championship is back at Eagle Canyon. So big video series, probably do a two-parter about that one. Um, then, of course, Apex, HPDE. Shout out to those guys. I'll be doing some of their events this year as well. So if you're local, come on out. Love to meet people. Love to give ride-alongs. The Club Spec Mustangs are really fun to drive. They're a blast. They're pretty budget friendly. Um, and just appreciate you following along, subscribing, liking, sharing, all that fun stuff. And then last plug is go check out the Garmins. If you don't have one, really value add. That's it. Thanks for watching.